see, they're about to go on round 2. About to take it that way. That over there is Blaine and Tyler. They like to go off-roading. They like to leave me in the dust. As you can see, there's dust all around me. I'm just gonna wait till I see some headlights. Oh, I see them. Oh, yes, I do. Come on. We call him Clifford. Because he's a big red dog. I'm going to be 100% honest, I just completely lost them. Oh, I hear them. I sees them. I sees them. They gonna try to go up this hill, and they're gonna try to get some serious air. They might die, but that was pretty fucking sweet.